welcome to our Medicare in Minutes video series. My name is Sandra Jutton, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose a plan in the state of Minnesota. Now, if you're getting ready to turn 65, I'm sure you're being infiltrated with tons of different mailings from all these different insurance carriers saying, we're the best, pick us, we have the best plan for you. It's so important to connect with me when we're getting ready for this time frame because in the state of Minnesota alone, there are over 26 different Medigap plans or supplement plans. There are over 40 different Medicare Advantage policies, and there are over 28 standalone prescription drug plans. That's a heck of a lot to try to go through on your own. Connect with us so that way we can start with that process of elimination. What insurance carrier is going to give you the plan that's going to cover your doctors, your specialists? Maybe you want to travel and get the heck out of Minnesota. Vision, hearing, and dental are important, so we want to make sure that we're giving you a plan that covers that. The other huge piece is making sure all your prescriptions are covered on a formulary. And it's a really important takeaway to know that not one insurance carrier has the same provider network or the same formulary. So what you find with one is not going to be the same with another. Let us help you with the paperwork because as a broker, we are appointed with the major carriers in the state of Minnesota. So we can go through those different carriers and figure out what plan, what coverage level is going to be the most suitable for your pertinent needs. If you did find this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel below and check out more of our videos on Medicare in Minutes.